All right, we're gonna try to take Tim for a ride. I haven't started it yet today, so this will be cold. We'll see how it does. Of course, I got the kill switch off. Round 2, let's go. Works well, brakes seem like they work well. Double check the transmission fluid. Reverse seems like it hits well, but I can't really feel the 2-3 shift. Video while I'm letting it get up to temp. I started a data log just so I could check that out on the way back. It's at about 188 right now for temp. So reverse. Seems like it feels nice. The 2.3 may just feel light because I don't have enough RPM in it yet, but something to be aware of. I'll check the fluid and stuff. The shifter wants to go right to third. I don't really like that very much. Like the one, it's hard to pull it into 2 and it goes into 3 real easy. Third gear that time. almost 5 pounds on a 3,500 RPM two-step. Temps 190. All right, so I'll go back and double check the transmission fluid, check the log. Overall, feels like everything's going pretty well. All right, so I did add another quart of transmission fluid. I did make some changes based on the first drive, and I'm going to throw that in there, and we'll probably leave it like that for now. I'm not going to be tuning this. Hunter from Hunter Tuned is going to be tuning it. So let's throw this back on. We'll start it back up for a minute, and then we should be good. Two-step action.
That car is really loud.
Car is really loud. Yep, sure is.
Louder than the red truck.
Well, technically it is because it's got mufflers on it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for this one, and that might be it for this car, actually. I have one thing that I want to do yet, and that's weld the little turn downs from the wastegates. Those don't have any turn downs on them. It's just the wastegates kind of right out to the side right now. So I have some stainless 90s on the way. I'm just going to weld those guys onto the little flange here that I had in my pocket. And then this is pretty much ready to get picked up so I can get tuned. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the build. I do have one more video that I want to make for sure on this thing, and that was like the how much did it cost budget portion of it. So I talked to the owner, and he said he was okay with me going over what the budget was for the rebuild and basically everything that went into it. I did track my hours on the build also, so we can kind of look at like how many hours it took to build it or do the rebuild. So I think that'll be a little bit interesting, and I think some of you will probably be surprised at the budget and how much it actually cost to get this done. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the series, but looking forward to getting this thing moved on to the owner so I can work on the truck. And I do have something else coming that's planned. Maybe.